We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up DIS stock. We are in the monthly time frame. Price action, bullish green candle. Look like it's coming from an area of support. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint in the middle, also adding second level highs. So also between price action overall highest high and that second level highs that we created, there's also another midpoint between that area that's creating that respect of the bottom of that support here in the previous side. So reading that area for that pattern. Before we get there, price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green candle coming from a support. So price action is engulfing the third to last candle and fourth to last candle. Very important that engulf that doji, for that the market looks like it's going to push up further. But we'll see as we walk down the time frame. So if that market is going to push up from this area, market's coming from that overall pattern of the first leg, second leg, third leg, and we're going to see the market's going to push up for that fourth leg that's created that engulfment in that area. Okay, another area we're going to add is price action high, price action low. So we're going to add that midpoint in the middle. So we're going to see how far price action makes it to that area. And if it breaks, I mean, it's near the area, so it can drop down. And if it does, price action is coming from a pattern. So taking a look at it overall for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and that's the retest. The market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, and then market came back to retest after it broke that SR line to see if it's going to push down again for a third time. So if so, price action coming from a double top and a retest, altogether triple top. So if price is going to also respect in this area here, it could be identifying a pattern in this area. So far we do see that first leg, second leg. If that second leg continues to break up with a bullish green candle, we do receive that breakout. Then we are looking for a bearish red candle to retest, to work its way up with a bullish green candle to identify that double top. Price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green candle with a long wick up to the top. So this could be enough for that market to be in that area of that zone to be tagging that area and work his way down. If not, like I said before, market can be working his way up. So let's say the market's going to work his way up. We can see the double bottom is coming from first leg, second leg, overall, third leg. We got that push. If we receive green candles, fourth leg retest, and the market work his way up. Now, if that market does work its way down, markets identify a pattern for the double top, which will be the break of that area. So this will be the first leg, second leg, third leg, and the market comes down for that M pattern if it doesn't break that area. On a daily time frame, we have a price action as a bearish red candle and is near the zone that we did create. Still coming for the pattern, but we're just paying attention to see what's going on in that area. Second last candle is a doji with a huge gap in the market. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a bearish red candle, second last candle, also a bearish red candle, more like a huge doji with some wicks up to the top. So what's happened is that the colors are different from what I'm saying. So it's identifying with the shapes and design. Second last candle has spiked up. Price action came back for a retest. So it's identifying a break and retest on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe that color may change with the second last candle as we walk down the time frame. On the 3-hour time frame, we have price action as a doji, so market has identified the same thing: break, retest, and then work its way sideways. So we still waiting for the market to do what it do. On a 2-hour time frame, price action, bullish green doji, so it's identifying fourth last candle has broke, third last candle retest, second last candle pushed up, and then price pushed right back down. So it could be identified as some type of double top. It's a weird pattern. The colors doesn't match up with the direction I'm explaining because it's like mismatch. Okay, but we'll figure it out as time go on. And we can see on the 1-hour time frame, we have price action as a green doji. So what's happening is that market spiked up for that first leg, second leg, third leg with the fourth to last candle. And we have the fourth leg market pushed down, and then the market worked its way sideways for a retest. So altogether, break, retest. So if this area is respected, it could be identified on the 1-hour time frame for the first, second, third. If we respect this area here and engulf with the bullish green candle, at least against the second last candle, primarily the third last candle, market can push up for that W. If not, we're looking for the break and retest for that market to be coming from some type of decline, double top, and a retest. On the 45 minute, still identifying the same thing. On the 30 minutes, still identifying the same thing. Price action, second last candle on the 30-minute time frame is side by side, so as market's starting to consolidate on that SR line. On the 15-minute time frame, we have price, second, third to last candle, some of fourth last candle are all dojis in the market, different sizes. Some has long wicks, so that market is coming down from an area. So that's overall, it's still identifying the break. Market came back to retest multiple times, 1, 2, and then finally pushed down for that third time. Still market's consolidating, so we're waiting for the break of this area here to identify a green engulfment pattern to work that market up, or a bearish engulfment pattern to market work its way down. If it does, market will be identifying a break and retest for that market to go down. And please review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Back to business. 5-minute time frame, we do have a pattern forming for the price action is a bearish red candle. Still looking for that engulfment, so something's happening at that area of support. So market came down for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once. Price actions to retest if it's respected with the bullish green candle. After this, market's coming up from a overall head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, or a triple bottom or a double bottom and a retest, and that market can come back up to that SR line. And if it breaks down, market came for a break, retest 1, retest 2, and market pushing down from a double top and a retest if we receive that break of that black SR line that we did create. Price action on the 3-minute time frame is a bearish engulfment pattern to the second last candle. So second last candle is identifying, had a hard time to break in, so it lost momentum. So what happened is price broke the area, came back to retest with the second last candle. Price action is engulfing the second last candle that can push that market down back to the SR line. So we do have that engulfment. So we can be looking for price to head back to the SR line and then wait for market to do what it do near the SR line. So we have price action high, price action low at the black SR line. So price is currently at the midpoint. Also, price action is identifying area of support. So if it's respected, it will identify as the break, the retest, and the market pushing up from an overall pattern of first, second, third, fourth, retest, engulfment pattern, bullish green. Market can work its way up, or a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet. And if it breaks down, market is identifying the first, second with the break, bearish red candles, third leg with the green candles retest, and market's coming down for a double top. And once it gets to the SR line, we're waiting to see what the market's going to do. Please review once again Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. DIS Stock.